Good evening. A widespread AT&T outage this week left hundreds of homes, schools, and businesses across Charleston without internet. The cause? Fiber cuts in a third-party network forced many to improvise, from small cafes to emergency services. Tonight, News 4's Cameron Limes explains how the outage disrupted daily life and why some business owners are demanding answers.
From Mount Pleasant to Johns Island, and even stretching into Beaufort County, customers suddenly found themselves offline Tuesday afternoon. AT&T confirmed the outage stemmed from fiber cuts in another provider's network, but gave no clear timetable for repairs. For many, the timing couldn't have been worse.
It's a little bit frustrating. I don't know where the issue is coming from. But as a business owner, we still have no explanation.
Chateau says 90% of his customers normally pay by credit card. With the internet down, staff scrambled to accept cash when possible. But many orders were delayed or canceled. And without connectivity, employees lost their digital tips.
Some of my people probably lost 50% of their income that day, but we're covering it with hourly wages. It's not just lost money, it's lost trust.
Charleston County schools also felt the impact, with teachers unable to access lesson plans or communicate with parents. In Beaufort County, the sheriff's office took the unusual step of publishing an alternate phone number for emergencies until service was restored.
It's scary to think 911 might not connect, even for a few hours.
Big box stores like Target struggled to process payments, while delivery drivers saw apps crash mid-order. For many local businesses, the outage underscored just how dependent daily operations have become on stable broadband.
It wasn't just credit cards. We couldn't check inventory, couldn't send invoices. We were blind for half the day.
AT&T told News 4 that crews worked with a third-party provider responsible for the fiber cut, and service has since been restored. Competitor WOW! Care also confirmed it worked overnight to reconnect its Charleston customers. We understand how important these services are and appreciate the patience of our customers, a spokesperson said, though many businesses told us they wanted clearer, faster communication. Experts say incidents like this highlight the fragility of a city that increasingly runs on digital services, from education and retail to healthcare and emergency response.
One fiber cut shouldn't take down a city. Charleston needs redundancy, backup systems, alternative carriers, even local contingency plans, so businesses and public safety aren't left in the dark.
For cafe owners, school teachers, and even emergency workers, Tuesday's outage was more than just an inconvenience. It was a reminder of how vulnerable we are when the internet goes down. AT&T hasn't said how long full repairs will take or what safeguards are being put in place to prevent another disruption. In Charleston, Cameron Limes, News 4.
Charleston businesses say they're now considering backup payment systems, including mobile hotspots and secondary providers, in case of future outages. AT&T has promised to review communication protocols with customers,